Hey, it's Faye! I don't know about you guys, but a while ago I saw this trending. It looks like a scam. Obviously, it looks like chia seeds. Obviously, it looks stupid. But of course, me being me, I fell for it. Let's put the differences aside and test this green mask stick. According to the scams, this face mask is supposed to pull out all your impurities plus your blackheads. Super skeptical, of course. Who knows? I'm curious how this will work. One thing I will do differently is seeing if my pores minimize. With who? Amato. Do you remember who he is? He's my best friend. Now we all know that green tea can minimize our pores and help unclog them and clear them of impurities and our toxic traits. Green tea ingredients actually help minimize pimples, papules, and acne as well. It's kind of the same thing. Any cystic raised spots. Because green tea is such an effective acne treatment, it should help reduce our pores and rid blackheads and any side effects. It says to cleanse and tone, but why? Let's do it! I hate myself. You may think you hate yourself, but get a microscope. I am naturally the oiliest wheel alive. Baby girl, this is unnatural. It's kind of difficult to see the size of my pores right now because they are filled up, fully booked. So these are the pores on my inner cheeks. Pretty hairy. What's new? Now we're ready to try on the green stick mask, whatever. Here we go. Put this all over. Wow. How destructive to my self-confidence. See how texturized my skin is and my pores are so porous? The texture of this stick, it feels a little bit like chalky creamy. You see my holes? Next, we're gonna do my nose, which is the big winner, the jackpot here. Buckle up. How degrading.
What the fuck?
I'm trying to swirl in the sides of my nose, but I think I'm gonna avoid. No, I'm not. I do have a little pimple up here because your girl's skin is super clear right now. Let me have this moment. You guys have always seen my skin at its worst, so let me brag for 1 second that I have 1 pimple going on and not like 10. So let's show you the pimple. Where are you? Oh my god, you're so small. I can't even find out. So that's my pimple. As you can tell, if I'm not pressing on my skin, it's red. Apparently, because this is green tea, we should be expecting clarity. Let's baptize this pimple. Just like that. I mean, I guess we're here. Oh my gosh, this stick is so... Manually push that yourself. Now we wait. Okay, I think we're ready. This is dry now, so let's take a look, shall we? Clearly, I'm not seeing any blackheads, dirt, or even sebum being pulled out. So, what you're seeing, the little specks here, that's just my pores. Yeah, I guarantee you this is not like a clay mask, so yeah, okay. These are my pores currently with the mask on. I'm confused because the mask is sitting around the pores, not in it. Okay, like, we see that one. Okay. My pores are freely breathing. They're chilling. What the So this spot is where I have the most acne scarring and my biggest pores or skin damage. The mask didn't even touch the inside of this. This is just dangerous territory. I'm not even sure what I'm looking for at this point. Let's check my nose. At least we see a little bit of sugar coating on the nose pores. So cute. Oh, look at that powdered donut. Okay, I mean, whoa. Sir, excuse me. Way to stand out. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Okay, we see some sebum. At least, of course, leave it to my nose to produce more sebum and attract attention. Crusty. Looks like I got done doing something. Okay, so I guess the sebum is seeping through the mask. Oh my god. You're so ugly. Oh, Oh, gotta check the pimple. Hard to tell. Is that you? Oh, I think that's it. At least that's fully lathered. But yeah. No extraction of blackheads to be found. A lot of sebum around the nose. Pores not covered at all on the cheeks. Let's go wash this off and see if there's actually any comparison in pore size. We need to wipe it off like they did in the video to see if anything comes off on the cotton pad. Got a wet cotton pad. Okay, that looks disgusting. For a second, I thought I had blackheads. Just my pores. Wow. Beach. And that's the green tea. Get it? Like the tea. Nothing. Where's that stuff, gross? Let's go. So now let's look at what our face is giving us. We're gonna start in the inner cheek pores. Ooh, interesting. My pores are a bit reduced. Of course, not long term. As you can tell, the pores look super glossy and clean. Ooh, we got some big boys here. Yikes. I don't even know if that's a pimple or not. Gosh, I have some crusties around my nose. Wow, okay. I can't tell if they're minimized. I can't tell if there's even a significant difference. They don't look extremely well washed. A little crusty on the rims. Let's check out my pimple. Ooh, right spot on, sis. No, don't lose it. I lost it. There we are. She's looking... You tell me how she's looking. Okay, she got some crusties. That's all I know. I can't tell if she actually looks better or not. Did she just become a skinny queen? Skinny legend. Again, in terms of pore size, I feel like it's pretty similar to me. They look well behaved though. Not you though. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god. I think it's time we do an extraction video soon, because that is, oh my god, don't you just want to reach in and dig that gold out? That is disgusting, Faye. You are not well deserving of a human being. Oh god. Okay, we're just not gonna look there. Overall, this mask stick, huge scam. Your impurities do not fall out like that once you wipe it. I knew that coming into this review, so I want to make sure that you also know that. It's not impressive to the point where I'm going to convince you to get this product. A peel-off green tea mask will do the job way better than this stick. You can't be disappointed if you expected it, right? Live, laugh, love. And that's pretty much the review. I'm still going to leave a link down below if you want to check it out, but that's pretty much it for this review. If you guys have been missing these skincare videos, then make sure to like this video, and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.